Exit. What up? It's Mega Delight Day. Like ABCD man, lendivaga mnandi alphabetically wenenza ngathi nina niyangazi from dala ngizama uyichaza mengihlawuli bengivala isandla thanda ukubonga umndeni for ukungixhasa sifo budala lento ngizoyiqala ka njengoba ngikhazile azilimeze etsheni iningi likhulu elishaya bomama simangivele khona embayifihla mina yumampini asibani kusuke sidisposa ngangizeli ngamasimu angeke ngithole ngenaqhima uqina kufaka intshizi yanginamathela njengoba ngibona wena ngiphila. Listen to the beat when I send shout out to Uspik. Let's take it back to square one as we at level 5. Uthi uphume endlini bekubhekile was the mask. After lowo mbuzo bekubuzele ukuthi uyaphi. I come with friends angisakwazi nokubona abangani. Ngisho nodala wami encingweni katholakala. Kade foolish thoughts engicabanga izinto ezisnacks. Nemali seyincane ma-oleda kasasifani. Nami sengiyindoda mele ngiqhamuke neplan. Gitmisa umadiba mina masling overtime okuphatha kabi ukuthi ukamaphosi uvale ikajwi benginethema ngisitshelile u-2020 unyaka wami tinsena different lo nyaka ube isitho sami thingasakhalazi ngibonga unyaka omusha dala usagcinile entweni ezimbi saphephile family important khokona ngibonisile I made it through the pain, breadwinners are going insane. Bakwazi nokubeka iplate and the stress sekukuningi. Had to sleep with my game, ngcono ngasacomplain. I'm breathing not today, was they used to lay complain. Engani ngisaphefumula lately izinto sezavayo kukhulu. Nento yobomi we-put, siphila mangisajutha. Mommy telling me I feel my boys into zolunga. Angeke kube lula noma time asewadlula. If I only record then izinto zokuquka lembeleko ngayilahla nethawula sengaliphosa the only thing left in me ukudoda nokunqoba